How do I sign up for Uber Pay Later?
Hello there. Today, we'll be discussing an important topic: how to sign up for Uber's Pay Later feature. This is an excellent option that allows you to use Uber services now and pay for them at a later date. We will walk you through each step to make the process easy and understandable.
What is Uber Pay Later?
Uber Pay Later is a feature introduced by Uber, allowing you to avail the services now and pay later. It offers you the flexibility to manage your finances and still use Uber services whenever you need them.
Requirements for Uber Pay Later.
Before you begin, ensure that you have an updated Uber app. The feature is only available in specific regions, so make sure you are in a supported location. Also, you need to have an existing payment method linked to your Uber account.
How to sign up for Uber Pay Later?
Here are the steps to sign up for Uber Pay Later. 1. Open the Uber app on your device. 2. Navigate to the Payment section in your profile. 3. Look for the Uber Pay Later option. If it's available in your region, you should see it listed here. 4. Once you find it, click on Uber Pay Later to initiate the process. 5. You will be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions. Please read them carefully before agreeing. 6. Next, you will be asked to confirm your existing payment method or add a new one if you don't have one linked to your account. 7. Once you've completed these steps, your request will be submitted for approval. This may take a few minutes to a few hours. 8. After approval, you can start using Uber services and choose to pay later at checkout. That wraps up our step-by-step guide on how to sign up for Uber Pay Later. Remember, this feature provides the flexibility to use Uber services now and pay at a later date, giving you more control over your expenses. We hope this video has been helpful, and you can now confidently sign up for Uber Pay Later. Have a great day and safe travels.